Seeing CHI files next to your CHM help files, these companion files work together to deliver fast help content searching. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain the role of these compiled HTML help index files and how they interact with the help system. Quick setup recommendation: download and install a reliable universal file opener. It's the simplest way to check if your CHI file is truly broken. I'll link the software below. CHI files are compiled HTML help merged index files that support combined help systems where multiple CHM help files are merged into a unified help collection. They contain merged table of contents and index data that links topics across multiple CHM files, enabling seamless navigation through combined help documentation sets. CHI files use a binary format compatible with the HTML help system, storing merged TOC and index trees that reference topics across multiple CHM files in a combined help collection. They are generated by the HTML help system when merging help files and are referenced by the master CHM files merge specifications. The developer of Microsoft HTML Help Workshop, Microsoft Corporation, created the original specifications for CHI. Windows requires elevated permissions for the file, which dedicated software manages automatically. Windows provides no meaningful preview of index contents, so specialized applications must open it. We're checking for file recognition by all compatible apps. Right-click your CHI file and click Open With. If Microsoft HTML Help Workshop is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We must find the right software association. When a CHI file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. We're facing a complicated CHI error. Let's move to the testing phase and check these critical common failure points to find the fault. First, understanding merged help. CHI files enable enterprise applications to combine multiple help modules into a unified help experience. The master help file references component CHM files, and the CHI file provides the merged navigation structure. Users see a single table of contents and index spanning all component help topics seamlessly. Next, regenerating index files. If merged help navigation is broken, delete the CHI file and reopen the master help file. The HTML help system regenerates the merged index by scanning all component CHM files. Ensure all referenced CHM files are present in their expected locations for complete index regeneration across the merged help collection. Finally, troubleshooting help display. If CHM files with CHI indexes do not display properly, check for Windows security blocking on downloaded files. Right-click each CHM and CHI file, select Properties, and click Unblock if available. Ensure all component files are in the same directory or in paths matching the master CHM files merge specifications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.